Alright, as I drove past the church there on Main Street, I could see that they've done something in the trenches, but I don't know if we can see it from here. So let me start. There we go. Well, as you can see, the gate is closed. Oh, I better be careful. All right, this'll do. Can you see the cinder blocks are in the hole? So if they have a foundation, concrete foundation, it's already been poured to stabilize and hold the first layer. That's a guess. And there's a board to walk across. Okay, and you can see past the piles of the cinder blocks on the outside. You can see in that far trench that the cinder blocks are there. And then, I don't know how good my camera is, if you look all the way to the other fence, you can see that the cinder blocks are in the ground, and they may be shaping a stairway from the road. That's a guess. So I'm happy. Progress, progress, progress. That's terrific. Now, I want to be careful that I don't slip, because I started to, because I wasn't paying attention to the type of soil this is, which is different than the same colored soil on the Faith Rock Trail, which has been washed out completely of its silt fraction, but this hasn't. The silt fraction is where the clay is, and it's slippery, slippery, slippery. And because that's all been washed out over millions of years on the trail, there's no slippage on the trail, but there sure is here, even though it's only 300 yards away, under several 100 million years of different weathering. Steve is going to get back. Yappy Steve is going to get back in the car. I'm having fun. I got mud on my shoes. I'll transport that mud to the next place I'm going and kick it off there. Yeah, that's called redistribution. I am happy to see that bit by bit they are working on the reconstruction of the sanctuary of the Franklinville United Methodist Church. And just once again to the left is that beautiful 250th anniversary mural here in the center of Franklinville. Steve A.B. Foyel. Oh, it rained earlier. I started to climb the trail and it started to rain on me. So I just went home and waited, saying see you in 73. Alright folks, I'm grocery shopping a little bit later, and I just want to show you how much mud I picked up. Now that's nothing, I just touched it. Hang on, let me stand up. Let me show you how much mud I picked up at the church. See all that? Yeah, I can sweep that out once it's dried out, right? And then I got this. They can follow me without any trouble at all. And there's some more of it. And there's some more of it. And there I am going into the store. Thank you, Franklinville United Methodist Church and Mother Nature. Steve A.B. Foyel, just having fun. Saying see you at 73.